All right, guys, today is Thursday, day 149, April 30th, 2020. I'm so excited today because today is the last day to show what you know. Now, we have to start off by writing our first name, our last name, and circling our homeroom. And all this week, we have been reviewing mathematical skills and concepts. Today, we're taking it a little higher and we're going to range 201 to 220 and we're rounding numbers. So it says round the following numbers to the nearest 10,000. So before we have to know where the 10,000th place is, now it's right here, here, and here. So if we were rounding to the 10,000th place, we would be looking at the digit 2, the digit 5, and the digit 6. Please press pause, get this do now done on your own, and I'll be back in a couple of seconds to help you out. All right, welcome back, guys. So if we're looking in the 10,000th place, which is the 2 for this problem, and we're rounding, we would look to the right-hand side. Now, remember that if the number to the right-hand side is lower than 5, we round down. Now, I'm going to place a little comment. So I'm going to put number 1. We're rounding down, so it is 20,000. Number 2, we're rounding down to the 10,000th place. Now, when we go to the right, our number is over 5, so we're going to round up. So number 2 would be 60,000. Moving right along to the last question. It says 64,781. Now, again, we're going to use the same strategy. We're going to start from the 10,000th place, go over to the 1,000th place, see if it's above or below 5. In this case, it is below 5, so we have to round down. Now, when we round down, we're going to round down to 60,000 and we're done. All right, flip the page. We have a skill drill. Now, skill drills are used for fluency to make sure that you remember how to use the skill. In this case, we have 3005, take away 284. We're going to make it horizontal. And we're going to work it out just like that. Okay, so 5 take away 4. In this case, it is 1. And then we have 0 take away 8. We can't actually take 0 from 8, so we have to borrow and regroup. But the number next to it is a 0 as well, so we cannot borrow or regroup from that number. So we have to go on to the next number, which is 3. Since we're borrowing from 3, that makes it a 2. So our 0 in the first slot will become a 10. 10 take away 8 is 2. So we're going to put 2 in the right spot. And then the next 0 became a 9. And 9 take away 2 is 7. And then we have 2. So our answer is 2,712. I'm sorry, 2,721. Oh my God. All right. So I want you to take it upon yourself to make the numbers vertical, align them so you can subtract them the proper way. If you need paper and pencil, because that's the way we do it in class, go ahead and get you some paper and pencil, because I want you to try your best to get the answers correct. And we know that when we're working with math, we have to do whatever it takes to answer the questions correctly. Now, moving on to the model. Here's a quick reminder. What is subtraction and what is a subtraction algorithm? Well, an algorithm is, my computer tripping, y'all. What's going on? An algorithm is a procedure we use to solve mathematical problems. So let me copy that. Let me paste it right there so we can know what an algorithm is. And here's an example of an algorithm. Now, they're asking us to subtract 582 from 148. They're asking for the difference, so we know they want the answer for a subtraction problem. Now, 2 take away 8. That can't be done. We have to borrow from this 8 right here, which makes that a 7, and this a 12. 12 take away 8 is 4, so we're going to put 4 in the 1 spot. After we put the 4 in the 1 spot, we know that we turn that 8 at the top into a 7. So 7 take away 4 equals 3. So now we're done with the ones in the tens place. We're going to go on to the hundreds place, and now we have 5 take away 1, which is 4. So our difference is 434. Example number 2. Let's type it out. 5,248 take away 10. Now we have to make sure we align the numbers in there in the right spot. If we don't align the numbers in the right spot, that gives you a bigger chance of getting the problem incorrect. So now in the 1 spot, it says 8 take away 0. We know anything take away 0 is the same number. So in this case, 8 take away 0 is 8. Next, we have 4 take away 1, which is 3. So we have our 1 space, we have our 10 space, and then we bring down our 100 space and our 1,000 space. So our difference is 5,238. Okay, it's time for the independent practice. It's time to show what you know. Show what you know. Now, when we're working and we already know a skill, we have to be confident in our answers. And what do I mean by being confident in your answers? If you write an answer and you follow all the steps the way that Miss Samario taught you to, you have to be sure that your answer is correct. You have to show confidence. Now, our independent practice has 6 addition and subtraction problems mixed in together. So you have to make sure that you're looking for the operation. This one is addition. Looking for the operation. This one is subtraction. This one is subtraction. This one is addition. This one is subtraction. This one is addition. We have to make sure that we're aware of what's going on, because on math worksheets or tests, they can switch up the operation on you, and that could mean you getting the answer wrong because you simply weren't paying attention. So number 7 is, in 1 week, Jenny's ice cream shop sold 435 chocolate cones and 200 vanilla ones. How many ice cream cones did Jen sell? Select a number sentence that represents the word problem. So I'm not looking for the answer. Again, I'm not looking for the answer. I'm looking for the number sentence. Now, if you're being smart about it, the operation depends on the wording in the sentence. In 1 week, Jen's ice cream shop sold 435 chocolate cones and 200 vanilla cones. How many ice cream cones did Jen sell? They want to know how many she sold in all. Which operation reflects the phrase in all? Make sure you make a good selection. When you're done, you can actually submit this Google Doc and then go on to the exit ticket. Now, tomorrow is our FSA. I know you're ready. It's pretty easy, but I do want you to take your time and make sure you think about your selections. Have a great day. Love ya.